Hi, have any of you been recently suffering from any neck pain or neck stiffness that you can't really explain? Well, I am here to help you understand why you may be getting that and also provide you with a couple of tips and tricks that may help resolve those problems. My name is Sophie. I am an osteopath with Perfect Balance, and I have recently been seeing a lot more patients coming in with neck pain. A lot of them seem to be fairly similar. And the main reason that they've been developing this neck pain is because they've been working from home a lot more. And obviously when you're working from home, you've had to change your desk, your work situation, laptop, compared to being on a desktop computer with a nice ergonomic chair. So one of the reasons that people have been getting neck pain is because they have changed their posture recently. A lot of people begin to develop this kind of posture, bringing their neck forward, looking down at their laptop screens, and also bringing their shoulders forward so that they can type on their computers like so. What we want to do is try and change that posture just so that it causes less of that pain that you've been getting. Now, the reason why this can cause pain is because what you're doing when you bring your neck forward like this, these long muscles here then begin to get shorter, and you're really stretching through these muscles in the back of your neck when you're in this sort of posture. You also then begin to, when you draw your shoulders forward, shorten your pectoral muscles and stretch through the muscles in your back. Obviously, that's not how we're meant to be sitting, having that beautiful posture, nice, upright. I understand it's quite a difficult situation right now, so I'm going to give you some tips as to why you may be getting the pain, and a couple of stretches that you can do. So when these ones get shorter, we want to try and start elongating them, getting them back up high so they're not forcing you downwards like this. We want to stretch through these small muscles in the sides of your neck. Now, the reason these ones can get tight is because people begin to use their upper rib cage to breathe a lot more, like so. Because they're sitting down so often, they can't really activate their diaphragm as nicely as one would like you to. So, what to do to stretch these ones out? So, this is my left-hand side, this is my right-hand side. Stretch this nice big one out. What I'm going to do is take my hand, stretch it backwards to the opposite side of my hip. What you can also do to make this stretch even better is to sit on this hand. Now this is just to anchor in this shoulder, so then it doesn't take your whole body in one direction. This hand on top is just acting as a weight. You're not pulling your neck, just as a weight, like so. You can hold this for about 5 to 10 seconds and you can repeat it after I show you the other stretches to do. To stretch through these muscles in here, take the hand and take it to the opposite shoulder, like so. Now, to stretch through the back of your neck muscles, you can take your head to the opposite hip, so downwards. You can repeat these fairly often, just hold for 5 seconds, go back into neutral, and then you can do the other side as well. Like so. Another really great stretch to stretch through the back of your neck here. It's not the most attractive stretch, but most people won't be able to see whilst you're doing these. It's essentially to try and give yourself a double chin, okay? So with your fingers, and it's more helpful if you use your fingers, physically push your head back like that. So you then can begin to feel a stretch along these muscles up here. The other thing to do is to do a desk ergonomics test, or to try and help your desk be in the best place that it can be. Reassess the chair, reassess the keyboard, mouse, screen kind of situation. Now you can do these through ergonomic tests online. You can do this through contacting your company and seeing if they'll help you in that situation as well. If none of this is helpful for you and you're still getting that pain, by all means come in and see myself or somebody else in regards to your neck pain. Thank you.